Imagine space as a vast ocean, and somewhere out there, there's a drain. Not a black hole, not a sci-fi portal. A real region tugging on hundreds of thousands of galaxies. Mine, yours, all of us, like a slow, relentless current. Astronomers call it the Great Attractor. I know, dramatic name, but here's what it actually is. A gravitational anomaly, an overdensity of matter, roughly 150 to 250 million light-years away, Norma Triangulum Australe. It sits behind the thick disk of our Milky Way in the zone of avoidance where starlight and dust block our view. For decades, it was a cosmic rumor, felt in the numbers, hidden from our eyes. How do we feel a rumor? Motion. The local group, our galactic neighborhood, is drifting at about 600 kilometers per second relative to the cosmic microwave background. That drift isn't random. It's part of a larger flow of galaxies, all sliding down the same invisible slope. Think of raisins in rising dough, except some raisins are also pulled sideways by a hidden weight. That sideways pull points, again and again, toward the Great Attractor. And no, galaxies don't vanish there. Gravity isn't a shredder, it's a traffic pattern. Galaxies stream along the filaments of the cosmic web toward concentrations of mass. The Great Attractor appears to sit near the Norma cluster, Abell 3627, Galaxies' gas dark matter. It's the kind of place where gravity's voice is deep and persuasive. As surveys improved, infrared radio X-rays, we peeked through the Milky Way's glare. What we found reframed the map. Our home supercluster, Laniakea, spans about 500 million light-years, and the Great Attractor is near its basin of attraction, the point where flows converge. Farther out, around 600 to 700 million light-years away, lies the Shapley supercluster, an even more massive concentration that likely adds its pull to the mix. So that drain isn't a single plug, it's part of a hierarchy of sinks, each one deepening the current. Here's the weird part. The universe is expanding, pushing galaxies apart. Yet locally, gravity sculpts exceptions. Peculiar motions that carve rivers against the tide. The Great Attractor is one of those rivers. We measure it by how galaxies deviate from the Hubble flow, by how microwave background photons pick up tiny temperature shifts, like a speed trap for the cosmos. So, do we end up there? Not exactly. The landscape evolves, structures merge, flows reroute as mass assembles. But the story it tells is profound. Even in an expanding universe, gravity still writes in bold. The Great Attractor isn't where galaxies disappear. It's where the cosmic web flexes its muscle, and we feel the tug. If you want to see deeper, follow the motion. The map of gravity is a map of destiny. And somewhere beyond the Milky Way's glare, the drain keeps whispering, "Come this way."